About our adventure today.
What do I think about today's adventure? Well, it's a pretty long walk from where we parked. I hope it's as beautiful as they say it is. I have not seen it. We did drive over the bridge, and we shall see how it goes. I expect to take a lot of good pictures.
Yep, it's one of those Burr Magic adventures. You just never know what's going to happen out there.
Exactly. What flowers we will see and things. Yep.
Yeah. Alrighty. Let's just keep going. Look at that. They got a shrine way up there.
I see.
If I stop right here, you'll be able to see it. They're all over the place here. But okay, we'll see if we can make it down to the location.